and gentlemen, Pakistan is a cowardly country. Whether it is the political leadership or its military or its cricket board, they all lack guts. And when it comes to facing India directly, they chicken out. I'm going to be blunt, as always. Having been thrashed on 3 consecutive occasions in the Asia Cup at India's hands, having been humiliated in 12 out of 16 games in T20 cricket against India, Pakistan is now trying to play the boycott game. Yes, it has decided to boycott its fixture against India in Colombo on February 15th in the T20 World Cup. This despite India having agreed to play Pakistan at neutral venues when it comes to ICC tournaments. Pakistan is yet to explain its decision, but its government and cricket board are upset because of what they describe as unfair treatment meted out to Bangladesh at the hands of BCCI and the ICC. Viewers, this is Pakistan's failed attempt at grandstanding, but the Indian opposition is using the opportunity to put the BCCI and the NDA government on a sticky wicket, asking why India didn't take the call to boycott Pakistan match first.
ये बड़ा आईसीसी का स्टेटमेंट आया है जिसमें उन्होंने खेल भावना को लेके कहा है, तो हम पूरी तरह आईसीसी से सहमत हैं और लेकिन हम बीसीसीआई इस पर भी कोई टिप्पणी नहीं करेगी जब तक आईसीसी से हमारी बातचीत ना हो।
ये काम भारत, ये पहल भारत को करनी चाहिए। हमारे निर्दोष नागरिक मारे गए, हमारे जवान शहीद हुए, अंतर्राष्ट्रीय क्रिकेट बोर्ड कहे या कोई भी कहे, हम नहीं खेलेंगे क्रिकेट, हमें नहीं खेलना चाहिए, हम क्यों खेलेंगे?
We should have never ever agreed, if we did, to play Pakistan for the simple reason that terror and cricket cannot go together.
ये तो भारत सरकार को अपनी विदेश नीति पे विचार करना पड़ेगा कि किस दिशा में विदेश नीति उनकी जा रही है।
Imagine a shameless and terroristan kind of a country has also taken a stance, is willing to face the penalty, is willing to get fined for it. Goes to show it's a huge slap on the face of BCCI.
You're watching the News Hour at 9, debate number 2 on Times Now, Super Prime Time.
Joining the debate, Abhijit Iyer Mitra, Vivek Srivastava and Sanjay Jha. With them is Shyam Sundar Sharma, Director of the DDC and former legal advisor to BCCI. And Shyam Sundar Sharma, what do you think Pakistan is doing now? Bangladesh se itni hamdardi? When in the thick of things, Operation Sindoor ke ekdam baad, India played them. India played them and kept the ICC engagements and the sanctity of those engagements. I just want to ask, is this Pakistan chickening out because हारना तो है?
हारना भी है और दूसरा क्या है, उनका अपना माइंड भी डाइवर्ट करना है। 400 रुपए किलो आटा हो रखा है, 400 रुपए लीटर तेल हो रखा है, उनका पेट्रोल हो रखा है, उससे ध्यान भटाना है। और ध्यान कैसे भटकेगा कि इंडिया पे बहस करो, इंडिया को टारगेट करो। खोने के लिए कुछ नहीं है उनके पास। उनको मालूम है इंडिया को फ्यूचर में वर्ल्ड कप भी मिलना है, ओलंपिक्स भी मिलने हैं, एशियाड भी मिलना है, उसकी सब कुछ मिलना है, तो उसको कैसे खराब करना है, एक परसेप्शन बनाओ। अभी वो पैसे के बारे में नहीं सोच रहे, अभी ये सोचे कि इंडिया को कैसे परेशान करना है। सो नाउ वी हैव टू ट्रस्ट आवर आईसीसी. ICC is in good hands. They will take a decision and Pakistan will repent its decision. क्रिकेट उनकी खत्म हो जाएगी.
That has gone out?
It's a warning. उनकी क्रिकेट खत्म हो जाएगी और उन्होंने एक बांग्लादेश को मोहरा बना दिया है. बांग्लादेश के प्लेयर्स रियलाइज कर रहे हैं, उनकी गवर्नमेंट रियलाइज नहीं कर रही है. क्रिकेट खत्म हो जाएगी. क्रिकेट इंडिया से चलती है, इंडिया से ही. अभी बहुत चीजें हैं. अभी देखिए ये अपने आप खेलने के लिए आएंगे. मुझे जो लगता है कि 12 तारीख का बांग्लादेश का मैच, जब उनका वो इलेक्शंस खत्म हो जाएंगे, उसके बाद 13 को ये समरसॉल्ट मार जाएंगे. जैसे इन्होंने मारेंगे. मैच में एशिया कप में नहीं देखा था आपने कि हम नहीं जाएंगे खेलने के लिए, 1 घंटे बाद पहुंच गए थे. वही हाल हो गया.
Vivek Srivastava, even then the opposition is more worried about India's stand than Pakistan.
Yeah. No, I'm so happy that India is, looking forward to playing with both of them, and we are insisting more. Aaiye kheliye, so much of big deviation. Post Operation Sindoor, Navika, on your debates, on your panel, on your channel, I was targeted when I said sports has nothing to do with politics. Today, the stand of the entire nation has changed. Operation Sindoor is over, it seems. So now the fact of the matter is, all the 3 nations, we are neighbors, we need to sit together, and we all must play together. The Bangladeshis must learn, the Pakistanis must also learn. And but whatever be the political differences.
But it is Pakistan. It is Pakistan that has chickened out.
Must sit down.
It is Pakistan that has chickened out. You're preaching to the wrong people.
No, don't use the word chickened out. We were also against them. We were also against them at one time. Nobody chickens out. Everybody has been playing for decades, whether it is the Pakistanis or us. So chickened out is one part. It's a political differences that we are having that needs to be ironed out. Foreign policies of both the nations, they are extremely bad. There is no coordination, and it is the Western world which is taking advantage of this.
We don't want to coordinate our foreign policy with Pakistan. Sanjay Jha, do you think Pakistan is chickening out of the outing in Colombo? Neutral ground, that was the way it was decided. Why is Pakistan doing this today?
Well, let me tell you, Navika, we are missing the woods for the trees here. The gentleman who spoke before me, the legal advisor, whatever, there's this same old nationalistic language is not exactly what we should be looking at. Look at what Pakistan has done. They have sent a message to Bangladesh. Remember, Bangladesh was born in 1971, separated from West Pakistan. Now, Pakistan is seeing the troubled relationship between India and Bangladesh by saying that we support you, and we are not going to play against India. It's a political statement. It's a diplomatic statement. I think we have completely misunderstood what the bigger game plan is.
Sanjay Jha has more faith in Pakistan's foreign policy than India's foreign policy via cricket. What do you make of that? What do you make of that?
See, I've always said the BCCI and ICC are not promoters of cricket. They are earning machines. ठीक है, अब अर्निंग मशीन में धक्का होगा. This gentleman also will realize. India, Pakistan, all the Johnnies from all over the world want to watch an India-Pakistan match. Now वो हवा निकल गई है. आप भैया आपने ICC और BCCI की इतनी तारीफ की है, वो कब आप ले आए हो वापस पाकिस्तान से, जो उन्होंने चीन के वो दुबई में लेके गए थे, वो तो पहले ले आओ ना.
एशिया कप हमारा कहाँ है?
वो उनके पास ही है. We are he is also brave. Jay Shah is brave. सबको ठीक कर देंगे ना. It's all a money-making racket. In the good old days, and even Pawar Sahab once smiled when I told him. I said the BCCI is the board of corruption of cricket in India. Now it may be different. I am only admiring what they do qua women's cricket, and what Jay Shah has done by putting both the salaries on par is remarkable.
Absolutely. Well, let's wait and watch what happens to this match. Is Pakistan being a paper tiger, or will they come back and play, or are they just worried that there's another outing that they will promise themselves to and then lose out to India again? And that's not a prospect they're looking forward to. But clearly, जो भी पाकिस्तान करता है, Indian opposition जो है, they get a shot in the arm. Does that surprise you, ladies and gentlemen? I leave the decision to you. Thank you very much to my panelists, and thank you viewers for joining me on the News Hour tonight. Good night, be safe. I'll be back tomorrow.